Hello everyone, I choose joy. Today I will be changing the oil on my Ryker. So come on, let's do it. Let's just mention the first time I did this, it did not go over well. Oil was everywhere in my driveway. I think I have a handle on it this time. My oil that I got from Amazon. We got 3 quarts of oil, which as you read your manual, you will see that you do not need all 3. Synthetic blend. You got your gaskets, and you got your filter. You make sure I get it lined up. Let me come down a little bit more. Here we go. These are the 2 plugs. This is the large plug. This is the smaller plug. Both of them are oil plugs and they will need to come out. So I'm going to pull my oil pan down, and the first one that I will release will be the large one, and we'll put it in the pan. Let's go. And it's draining. Second plug out and draining. Now we wait. Remove this seal, and let's put on a new one. Hey y'all, it's your girl. I actually am finishing up this project the next day because, as you will be able to tell, my filters were dirty, so I needed to do that project also. So you will see me pointing out how dirty my K and N filters are, and me changing them. But the oil is already, the oil has been changed. We're good with that. So let's get with these filter changes, okay? You'll see a different shirt, everything. Don't pay that any attention because it's just me the next day finishing up a project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here, y'all. Bye. Happy riding.